Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to give you an occult perspective on reality and power. Magic is not a force outside of nature. It is the hidden architecture of reality. It is the art of directing unseen forces to shape the world according to will. Magic is often misunderstood as something supernatural, but in truth, it is deeply tied to the principles of vibration, frequency, and manifestation. The ancients understood that the universe is made of patterns, geometries of energy that give rise to all forms. This was a recognition that behind all things there exists a fabric made from light, sound, and motion. To work magic is to understand these patterns, to attune oneself to their rhythms, and to harmonize them with one's intention. Every thought, every object, and every person gives off a frequency. Both ancient wisdom and modern science agree. Everything vibrates. To change reality, one must learn to adjust these vibrations. A magician is like an artist of energy, shaping their own mind and surroundings to create change. Think about the chants of old times. These were not just words, but sounds made in a special way to create a powerful effect. Meditation, for example, helps people shift between different states of awareness. When someone enters a deep, focused state, they can shape their reality, just like a potter shaping clay. Imagination plays a crucial role in this. Many mistake imagination for mere fantasy, but it is a tool for creation. When we imagine with clarity and conviction, we begin shaping the unseen forces that will later crystallize into physical form. Ancient magicians knew this well. Symbols, colors, and images were not just for display. They were powerful tools for bringing desires into reality. It is said that Jesus himself employed words of power, not merely as teachings, but as vibrational keys that unlocked transformation. The same principle is true for all magical traditions. Magic is not random. It follows a clear structure. The universe is built on patterns and shapes. Symbols like the pentagram and hexagram are not just designs, they hold power and meaning. Everything in nature follows patterns. Crystals grow in shapes, sound moves in waves, and planets travel in exact paths. A magician studies these patterns and works with them. A magic circle is more than just protection, it brings energy into balance, drawing symbols in the air, placing objects in certain ways, and even controlling the breath all help connect with these natural forces. To manifest successfully, one must work with the natural forces of the universe. This is not about giving up control, but about moving with the flow of reality. When we align with this flow, our efforts become stronger. When we resist it, we face obstacles. This is why inner balance is so important. A restless mind creates disorder in life, while a calm and focused mind shapes reality with clarity, like a clear mirror reflecting what it desires. Many struggle with manifestation not because the methods fail, but because their own energy is scattered and unsteady. In magic, the astral light is the invisible force that connects thought to reality. It is the unseen energy that turns ideas into form. Those who learn to work with this force can create change with ease. True magic does not come from greed or selfish wants. It comes from the desire to bring harmony to the world. To create is to connect with the flow of the universe. Whether through ritual, meditation, or pure intention, the purpose is always the same: to improve reality, to shape it into something better. To practice magic is to live with awareness. It means understanding that every thought, word, and action shapes reality. There is no true divide between everyday life and magic. They are part of the same energy, seen in different ways. A magician does not force the universe to obey, but moves with it, guiding its flow with wisdom and intent. Magic is not about breaking nature's rules, but working in harmony with its deeper rhythms. In the end, magic is not about what we gain, but what we understand. It is the realization that we have always been creators, shaping reality with every moment of our existence. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.